Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Yongnuo, and in this video I'll show you how I will print the Horsehead Nebula and Flame Nebula. I selected an image that I love a lot, one of my edits in H-alpha using the Bader 7nm H-alpha filter. I've already uploaded the videos, and if you did not see the video how I edited in Adobe Camera Raw, you can use the link from my right and check that video out. So I will go now in Adobe Photoshop. I do have here the image. I've made a few adjustments from the first edit that I have it on YouTube. Here is the first edit, and I did increase in the second edit the brightness here on the IC 434 behind the Horsehead Nebula, and also more light here near the Flame Nebula, and more contrast, more stronger blacks. The Horsehead Nebula, it is a dark nebula situated in the Orion constellation, and it has behind a big H-alpha region, the IC 434 nebula. Very close we have also a reflection nebula, the Ngc 2023. It is in this area right here. I will zoom in, but unfortunately in H-alpha we cannot see more. We can see it more here on H-alpha combined with RGB data, and we can see here Ngc 2023. All intact, very bright blue giant star. We can see it here shining and lighting all the space near it. I was able to get more details on the stars on Alnitak in this image, but I guess it was harder to edit. We have here also the Horsehead Nebula, Flame Nebula in H-alpha grayscale, and all these nebulas here together are part of the Orion molecular cloud complex where star formation is taking place. So this is another region of star formation. The Horsehead Nebula, I've photographed it with my AD80 telescope from Skywatcher, very good quality telescope, and my Nikon DSLR. So I did not use any fancy equipment, like very expensive equipment. I do think it's a quality budget equipment. So the AD80 is a quality telescope with good optics, but on a budget price. If you do want, I believe if you do want better quality like this one, you have to go much farther with a few thousand euros telescope. But this one, it costed me about 750 euros with the case, 750 or 800 euros. So it is a good price, budget friendly. Also, I use my QM35 Pro, a good budget mount, and my Nikon D7200, a good DSLR. It is not modified, and you can see with an H-alpha filter how I managed to get these beautiful reds specific to the H-alpha wavelength. So let's see now how I will print the image, and I'll go on the H-alpha, and I'll start also recording with my phone soon. Go File, Print. Let's see if I have to change the settings again. Archival matte print settings, and I'll go S3 Plus. Okay. So I go cancel here. I think this is okay like last time. So I'll change the layout, and I have to put another paper. So just wait. So I do have another paper on my printer, and let's go in Photoshop, scale to fit media, 480 dpi, Epson Archival, print settings. I'll check again. Okay, and let's print. I will start also recording. And now I'm printing on Epson Archival matte paper. the Horsehead Nebula and the Flame Nebula. We can see also IC434 in this image. So this is more of a wide field print, wide field image that is printing now, but I will also print some details, like we can see here on the computer. This one, that is RGB and H-alpha. 2 hours and 30 minutes integration time image with the Horsehead Nebula and Flame Nebula that I'm printing on 13 by 19 inch. I still think we'll have nice contrast on it. Maybe we should also wait until it will dry. At 60%. Maybe I'll go on 70. Have to check the camera. I think it's nice, it's okay. So I still not figured it out the best lighting on my room. I'm still working on it. I think it will be easier when I will have the studio ready, but for now I think I have to work here on the exposure. Okay, yes, now I can see it better. Let's see. Okay, yes, now it's better, but I will have to search to not be too much overexposed. Still with my phone I cannot get the colors right. Okay, I cover now the lamp and you can see the reds better. And let's see, now maybe it's too light now, so I will lower also the ISO. So it's very desaturated on my phone, but I think I will work on it and get that color back after in post-processing. So we finished the print. We can see here I'm using now my gimbal and my camera, but I have bad autofocus. Wow, what details I got here on the horsehead. Let's go just a little bit closer. Let's maybe zoom in closer with, yes, and focus again. Wow, you can see the details, and this is Archival. This is not velvet fine art. On velvet I can see even more details, and also on canvas, but this paper is very good quality. Of course I did use maximum the ink on this one, and I really got some nice results. Now I'll zoom out and stop the video with my phone and take a photo. Thank you for watching, and if you did enjoy this video, do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so you won't miss any of my videos. I will get back to you soon in the follow-up video where I will frame this beautiful print. Stay safe, clear sky, and I will see you in the next video.